guys, right here is a review on the time gates by Divoom, and this one's just a side piece that you can go ahead and set up on your desk setup. I have it on my side so I can go ahead and see a few types of information like my YouTube account, subscribers, TikTok, time, and even a few cool animations, which is insane once I got everything running with the app. It does come with a nice pretty case, which I'm gonna go ahead and keep. And does connect via Type-C on the back, so you go ahead and connect it via the USB-A and the power's on. There's also a pink color as well. I went with this one. And the lights you can go ahead and also change from the top. There's a few buttons you can go ahead and react to. You can go ahead and turn down the brightness or turn all the way up depending on, you know, the color and everything. And these can be customizable right from the app. There's a lot of things that you can go ahead and put on. There's templates already set up, like blocks and everything. And as long as you have like an image or something, you can even upload it without any issues. You can go ahead and switch between the modes. As you can see, I have different characters. And then there's also a standard preset that you can go ahead and set up with the time. Pictures without any issues, and then just the regular one. But these can be customizable, or you can go ahead and set up the theme for home. I really like this. As you can see, it's transparent through, so you can go ahead and see the inside. We have a few details on the side, as well as the bottom. We have the